Gavin, our little monkey, his duty is climbing up on top of the trailer and putting a towel over the skylight in the shower to help cut some of the heat, and because it's so bright. So here he is, crawling up there to take it down. How you doing there, Gavin? Success. Okay, well just crawl back down. Don't throw it. No. Throw it at Daddy. Poor Daddy. Ooh. Wonder who it hit. And that, of course, is George in the background yelling at the kids. Be careful, bud. All right. Success. Smile.
Happy campers.
Happy campers.
Happy nappers.
Watch out for ants. Boy, that was good, Maddie.
There's still ants on it.
Just throw it fast. Gavin to the rescue. Ugh, poor baby.
Spread it out, Maddie. Spread it out where I can sweep it off. Come on, y'all.
Come on. Madison, hold one side and Mason take the other and fling it over there. Mason, you're going to get covered in ick. Okay. Run! And we'll cut with that.